Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest and most effective way to remove the background from any image right inside Figma, using a really powerful plugin. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your images pop with clean, transparent backgrounds, perfect for any design project, from social posts to web UI mockups. Alright, let's jump right in. Here I've got an image in Figma that I want to remove the background from. Maybe it's a product photo, a person, or a graphic. Whatever it is, getting rid of that background will really help it blend seamlessly into whatever design you're working on. Now, to do this with the best results, we're going to use a plugin called Remove BG, short for Remove Background. This plugin does the heavy lifting for us, so you don't have to fuss with manual selections or complicated edits. First up, we'll need to run the plugin. If you haven't installed Remove BG yet, just go to the top menu in Figma, click on Resources, then search for Remove BG. Once you find it, hit Run. You might see a little pop-up as the plugin gets ready. Now, this is where you might hit your first wall. Using Remove BG requires an API key. Don't worry though, this is just a way for the plugin to connect to an online service that processes the image and removes the background super accurately. Let me walk you through how to get it. Right-click anywhere in your Figma canvas, it doesn't even have to be on the image itself, and look for Manage Plugins down near the bottom. Click that, then select the Remove BG plugin from your list. You'll see an option that says Set API Key. Click that link and a website will open. If you're new to Remove BG's service, you'll need to sign up for a free account. It only takes a minute, and don't worry, they walk you right through it. For me, I've already signed up, so I'll just log in. Once you're in, head to the top menu and find API, or you might see it as API Keys. Every service labels it a bit differently. Now click Create New API Key. Give your key a quick name so you can remember what it's for, then hit Create. The site will generate a unique string of numbers and letters. This is your API key. Think of it like a password that lets Figma talk to the Remove BG service. Go ahead and copy that key, jump back over to Figma, and paste it where it asks for the API key. Remember to click Save so it stores it for future use. Now we're all set to actually remove our background. Let's try this out. Select the image you want to work with, then go to Plugins and choose Remove BG from your list. The plugin will get to work. This part might take a few moments, especially if your image is large or your internet's a bit slow, so just be patient. You'll see a progress bar or a loading spinner while it's working. And there it is. The background is gone, leaving just your subject nice and clean on a transparent background. You can drag this image right into your design or export it for use elsewhere. It's really that simple. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that now you feel confident using Figma's Remove BG plugin for all your image editing needs. If you learned something new, go ahead and give this video a like. It helps more people find these tips. And if you run into any issues or you have more questions about Figma or anything else design related, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.